In today's video, I'll teach you how to transfer photos from Android to USB drive. So first of all, launch open File Manager on your device. You can see over here I've opened it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you can do is tap on this option images that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your photos over here. So what you have to do is find the photo that you would like to transfer. After you do that, simply long press on it in order to select it. You can select multiple photos if you want. Now after that, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option copy to. Now after that you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you've connected the USB drive to your charging port. After you do that you'll be able to see your USB over here. Right now I do not have any USB to connect, but I'll tell you what to do. What you have to do is simply select your USB drive. After you do that, tap on this option copy here that you can see on the screen. Now after that wait for a while and that particular photo will be copied to your USB drive too. Now your photo has been successfully transferred. So that is how you transfer photos from Android phone to USB drive. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.